let's start with the type tool. Click any here in the artboard. Let's type DOG. Let's make it bigger. I will go with 250 points. Align it center. Okay. I will change it to all uppercase. Okay, and now I will change the font to something like Nippo. Okay, regular is fine. Now outline the font, ungroup them, place like this to make them overlapping. Now I will change the color to 3 different color so that I can recognize them easily. Okay, now select all, go to object menu, path, offset path. I will go with 5 pixel, hit OK and select all. Let's zoom it in and select the shape builder tool. I will remove here the D, now the O, now G and again O. We are almost done. Let's select direct selection tool and delete the offsetted parts. Okay. Now do like this, delete this part and this part. We are done. Here it is. So easy, right? Okay.